Hey everyone, made a cool AI song in voice mod. I'll show you how to export it and share it in your favorite social media platforms in just minutes. Let's get started. First, finish creating your song using the voice mod text to song or voice recording. And once done, you'll see a play or save option on the screen. And click download button. Your song will be saved an audio file usually in MP3 format. This is perfect for sharing online. Then here open a preferred social media platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and more. And here you can upload the MP3 file or the video. You can also add captions or hashtags and post to it with your friends and hear your AI creation. And that's it. You've successfully shared your voice mod AI song with the world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.